Welcome to the masterclass on building world-class resume absolutely free for you. Good resume is a direct ticket of landing an interview, and without interview there are very feeble chances of getting a job. So let's start the second journey of a fantastic career search which would fulfill all our dreams of having a big house, big car, world trip, or maybe getting our dignity back. So the first step is searching for a job, and the second one is sending resume and making one too before that. If we have never met, I'm Nishita Ajmera and I help people shaping their careers. In my 10 plus year of corporate experience, I was mainly into training, and because of the role that I had to conduct multiple interviews, and I have interviewed thousands of people, and because of that I know what works, what doesn't work, and here too I'll help you to find and get your dream job that you really love. And my goal is to help you find your dream job that you really love. Let's begin our journey on getting our dream job. So, before we divulge into resume making, let me ask you a question. Who decides we would be called for an interview or not? Who decides we are fit for the role or not? It's HR, right? In most cases, or the interviewer. So, if there is a way in which we could read HR mind and know what the person thinks, we can put our best foot forward. So, first topic is how HR views a resume. This will give us an extra edge in making our resume. So I could be entry level or planning to change career or having a gap. I can present myself in a way that makes HR likely to find less flaws. In the second step, we would cover all the topics of resume in detail, from contact details to work experience, from skills to education, and how to represent data that looks good on paper. Also here, we will see different formats of resume. Just like a beautiful dress can enhance a person, in the same manner, a perfect format can actually do that for your resume. Here what I am trying to share, that no matter what your issue, we can still beautify our resume. Also, we would discuss frequently asked questions and few do's, few don'ts. If you are a student or entry level or a starter and you think your resume doesn't have anything interesting to write, then you may be wrong. For you guys, I have covered the topic in detail to make your resume stand out. So in the third section, we would be seeing resume for special requirement like entry level, employment gaps, and if at all you are looking for a career change. Career change here means, let's say you're working in IT department at this point of time and you want to get into sales or training or any other field, then you need to draft your resume well for it. And for the last topic that we would be covering is our cover letter. For the ones who think, nah, I don't want to make my resume, I'll prove myself in interview. Let me tell you one thing, a good resume doubles your chance of getting hired. And only 2% resume makes past first round. You know, HR puts most resume down in first 10 seconds of viewing it. Is it possible to read a resume in 10 seconds? Obviously not. 8 out of 10 resume are kept aside just in 10 seconds of viewing them. So you want to be in that 2 or in that 8? We'll see this in detail in next session. Plus, because of global competition, you're competing with people from bigger cities or state or maybe other country too. But do not worry. I'll ensure that you cut through the competition if you follow completely. And the fact that we want high salary, then each step in the process needs to be perfect. I'm sure this goes without saying, and yes, you can earn high salary, but every step needs to be perfect. Since you all are trying to take additional effort to know how to make world class resume, and here in this masterclass I'll teach every step. However, I'm sure if I give a freebie, and that is to make your customized resume just for you, wouldn't it be great? I'll be making free resume. So to know more details about it, you may please click on the link above, or you may check in the description below. There too announcements would be made.